Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Future Trading with Mike, and yes, it is in the afternoon. The market is getting ready to close. It's currently 3:48. But I wanted to do a follow-up video. I already posted a video this morning for my morning session. I did some trading in the afternoon, and overall today I picked up 114 ticks. Okay, 114 ticks today. That's roughly about, I think, 28 and a half or 29 points trading the ES. So yeah, I had a pretty good day. I mean, to be honest with you, even though the market kind of chopped sideways, that's the thing about the style, the way I trade, how I scalp. I would say pretty accurate with my entries, whatever the case is. But it's all about knowing where to get in at, where to know, also knowing where to exactly get out at if the market comes back against you. And also, thirdly, on a third note is knowing exactly where to take profit at. Sometimes I don't always take profit exactly where I potentially know price is going to go, because that's just that emotional side to you, that fear side of you, to where when you're up. I'm the type of person, when I'm up, I'm in the profit. I'm going to take my trade. I'll take a profit and get out, okay? Because I know there's plenty of setups in the style and the way I trade. So I'm a scalper. I like the price action. Follow price action, price movements, following market structure. So I always kind of give a rundown from the top end to the low end, pretty much, meaning that looking at a higher time frame and scaling down, whatever the case is. And I constantly do that throughout the day, just kind of looking to see what the market is doing. But yeah, I mean, today was actually a good day for me. I mean, I'll probably get emails, from individuals saying that it was difficult today. Not emails, but excuse me, comments on the channel saying it was difficult for me to trade today. Because maybe it's just the way you trade, maybe it's the style of how you trade, whatever the case is. I think a lot of frustration comes into play when people try to trade a particular strategy and may have learned somewhere, I don't know, from site somewhere, from some individual, whatever the case is. And maybe this doesn't work for you. And maybe my style of trade won't work for you, but it works for me. That's why I record these videos. I mean, I've got tons of videos on the channel, and you guys watch me trade, especially those who are diehard subs on the channel, and you guys follow up and send me comments, and I appreciate those comments each and every day about how I trade. I get a lot of comments, from individuals stating that, hey, I've been green all week trading the way you do. I appreciate you, dropping the videos or making the video content for me. I was I profited today. I profited the day before. Things have been kind of up, on the ups for me, and I appreciate that, guys. I mean, it takes time. Trust me, it's not going to happen overnight. Some of you may catch it overnight, whatever the case is. But that's why I do these videos, because I want you guys to be able to, kind of just share them the information and the knowledge of how I trade. So hopefully that tons of individuals out there, maybe, the door opens up where people can see my style of trading and how I trade, and maybe pick up the same type, pick it up themselves and trade the same way and do fairly well, whatever the case is. So that's the reason why I made these videos, guys. It was just simply for one, it started off just me wanting to record my trades and being able to look back on them in the future, whatever the case is. Kind of just a study guide for myself, a self-help guide, excuse me. And but I said, well, if I'm doing well, someone else can do just as well. So why not share what I know? Okay. But yeah, today was a great day. 114 ticks trading today, and hopefully we can do just as well, tomorrow and the rest of the week. But the thing about it is that we do have some news coming up tomorrow and then Thursday. I think tomorrow I think it's an FOMC statement or meeting, or economic event that's happening tomorrow. FOMC member speaking. I think on Thursday there's unemployment claims, and then I think Friday there's the beginning of the month non-farm payrolls. So payrolls at the beginning of the month as well. So we do have some heavy hitter economic topics or events scheduled for this week. So be mindful of those. Look at your your economic calendar, whether it's Wednesday, Thursday, Friday of this week, whatever whichever one you use. I use Forex Factory, and kind of trade accordingly, whatever the case is. But guys, I don't. When I post something and say I have the keys to the keys to the scalping strategy I use is the keys to how I trade. That's pretty much what it is. It's like it's the keys. I'm handing it over to you guys. I want you guys to be able to pick up the same way that I trade And I want you to be just as profitable, you know, each and every day. I always say that you should be in the green each day, not in the red each day. I see too many people who make videos and posts, and they got major drawdowns. They don't know when to exit a trade, or they're gambling, taking on risk. That's why I scalp, because I know exactly where I need to get in and get out of every case is, and I know there's going to be plenty of setups in the market, even in tight range situations like this. I mean, the market still works in my favor because I can scalp areas, and this is on a 60 range chart, but if you look at it on a 12 range chart, I can still scalp even in sideways motion or sideways, you know, action, with the market being choppy. Yes, it pushed up here, pulled back, but we didn't break another high today after making this high up here at 41.95, nor did we break a low, this low from this morning at 6:50 or 7 o'clock this morning. We didn't break that low neither. We just chopped sideways. So yeah, even in a sideways choppy environment, I'm still able to, you know, profit from the market. A lot of people won't trade in an environment like this when it's moving sideways. You get frustrated. You know, it's the potential to set you up to get stopped out. But I'm still able to do it, you know. But typically I only trade 2 contracts too, so I don't put on a lot of risk. But it's imagine trading and you're putting on double the amount, or 5 contracts or 10 contracts, and you're picking up 114 ticks or 30 points a day almost. You know, you're doing very, very well. I'm saying you're in the thousands of dollars of profit a day. You know, thousands of dollars. I mean, that could be $5, $6, $10,000 a day. You know, if you had that type of capital to be able to put on those lot sizes, and it's not about so much having that kind of capital, because I don't put on the risk. I have the capital to trade. I could trade well beyond that, but it's just the fact is I don't have to put on that risk like that. I'm comfortable in the style in the way I trade. I'm not a greedy person. I'm just, you know, to me, I just get in the market, let the market give me what it's going to give me each day, and move on. And that's the key to it, is avoid and block the emotional side of things. And we all get emotional when we're trading. I get emotional when I get to a trade, because especially sometimes the market's volatile, and I have to, you know, you see me sometimes in my trades where I get a little frustrated, and then I have to wiggle myself out of a certain situation. That does happen. It's going to happen to the best of people. You know, it doesn't really matter what the case is. But my style of trading may not be for you, because I'm not a position or swing style trader. A lot of people will say, well, how come you don't stay and trade a little longer? That's not my style of trading. I know where I want to get comfortable, where I want to get in at, and where the market's going to take me to, or where it's going to go. And do I not say that every single time I get in a trade? Exactly the moment I get into a trade, where it's going to, you know, pretty much go to. You know, I say, oh, the market's going to go, you know, here. The market's going to go there. Once I'm into a trade, even though I close out the trade, it may move another 2 or 3 points in my direction, whatever the case is. I'm fine with that, because I know there's going to be plenty of opportunities. You know, but we all have little things to work on, and that's my thing, is that even as an experienced trader and been trading for years, yeah, I'm still trying to tweak things and learn. My thing is I want to learn, well, not learn, but I just need to kind of trail my profit, or trail my first contract, you know, allow price to, you know, set up my profit target, and then allow to start the market to start my last contract, whatever the case is, start trailing behind the market, whatever the case is, and you know, just keep it going so I can possibly pick up more. But hey, I'm not a greedy person. You know, I get in and get out. If I can get a little lower point on each trade, I'm fine with that. Some people do that every single day. You know, they scout for 4 ticks, 5 ticks, get out, 4 ticks, 5 ticks. You know, that's just how it is, especially with the ES, because the ES is a very thick market. Now, if this was a NASDAQ, yeah, I'd be picking up a whole lot more points. It'd be like double the amount of ticks I've made today, you know, because it's a very fluid and thin market. But it's okay. I like trading the ES. It's my go-to market. It's a market that I jumped in bed with and love to, you know, finesse it each day, I guess you want to say, whatever the case is. But yeah, this is just me letting you know that, hey, I put the smack down on the ES today, and hey, it is what it is. So yeah, if this is your first time watching me actually trade, and maybe it's your first video you're actually watching right now, go back and watch some of the other videos, guys. I got tons of videos on the channel, and it's just they all surround my live recorded sessions and me trading this particular market, the ES, each and every day. Maybe you're a futures trader, maybe you're a forex trader, maybe your stocks, maybe your options, whatever the case is. This same strategy probably will work for each and every one of those markets. I'm pretty sure. Now, I haven't traded options. I haven't traded stocks, and everybody has a particular type of market they like to trade, but I like trading the futures markets. It's what I've learned, what I started with, and what's grown on me, and I just carried it through for over the last several years that I've been trading, whatever the case is. So, but yeah, it didn't always start off for me easy peasy and you know, lemon squeezy or however you want to say it. But eventually, I just kind of got to the point to where I became profitable each and every day, and I stuck with it and stuck with the same trading plan, same trading strategy each day, and that's how I do it. So I'm wishing you guys well. I'm wishing that you can make the same type profits and do just as well each and every day. And I appreciate everyone who comments on the channel. Positive comments, only positive comments, positive comments. If you're a negative person, take it somewhere else. This ain't the channel for you if you're negative. So I'm gonna end on that note there, and I'll see you guys in the next video tomorrow when I, you know, trade tomorrow's video. So yeah, watch out for tomorrow's video. Tomorrow is the 4th of May, Wednesday, and I'll be recording my live trading session then and posting it to the channel. So I hope you guys look forward to that. See you in the next video. If you're trading, please be safe. Well, you're probably not trading now unless you're getting ready to trade into the overnight session. But yeah, please be safe either way. I'll see you guys in the next video.